everyone, welcome to the Logging It channel. Today, for this episode, I will be showing you how you can download and install OneDrive. So first, you need to open the Google Play Store on your mobile device, and on the search bar, you type in OneDrive, tap on search. You can see the Microsoft OneDrive on the very top option. Now here you need to tap on install just beside it and you wait for the application to be fully installed. Microsoft OneDrive is a online personal storage. When you set up a Microsoft account, you can use OneDrive to save documents, photos and other files in the cloud, share them with friends and even collaborate on content. Microsoft OneDrive keeps your photos and files backed up, protected, synced and accessible to all your other devices at once. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the OneDrive application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.